Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. The Maharashtra Congress has demanded that the CBI must investigate the Pune Porsche crash. They also demanded the resignation of Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. The Bharatiya Janata Party has called for the arrest of former Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. They have cited allegations of phone tapping that have emerged against him. BJP National General Secretary Bandi Sanjay Kumar made the demand a day after a purported confession by former Deputy Commissioner of Police implicated the BRS leader. While the confession was made on April 9, its detail became public when the Hyderabad police submitted it to the city court. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, after his countrywide campaigns, will arrive at the famous Vivekanand Rock Memorial in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari on May 30th for a spiritual meditation. He will undertake a 48-hour meditation during his stay at the memorial, the same spot where Swami Vivekanand meditated. In a jibe, Congress MP Rahul Gandhi said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was sent by his God to help industrialists Gautam Adani and Mukesh Ambani. Rahul Gandhi was reacting to PM Modi's remark that he had been sent by God. Rahul Gandhi claimed Modi's God hasn't sent him to serve farmers and the labourers. AAP leader Atishi has been summoned by a Delhi court on June 29. This is in connection with a defamation case filed by the BJP over her poaching claims. Atishi, who is among the top leaders tasked with running the AAP affairs following Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's arrest, had alleged that the BJP was trying to poach the party's MLA by offering 25 crore each. Besides Atishi, CM Kejriwal had also claimed that the BJP had attempted to poach 7 AAP MLAs in an attempt to topple the AAP government in Delhi. After this summon, CM Kejriwal said that Atishi will be arrested next. In northeastern states, heavy rain and thunderstorms triggered by Cyclone Remal left at least 37 people dead, including Mizoram, with dozens still missing. Hundreds were forced to take shelter in relief camps as rain destroyed homes and knocked down power lines. Mizoram has been the worst hit state in the region. India is said to be in commercial negotiations with France for buying 26 Rafale marine aircraft for the country's first indigenous aircraft carrier INS Vikrant. The deal is estimated to be worth around Rs 50,000 crore. The talks between the two sides are expected to begin on May 30th after a French delegation arrives in country. According to reports, Adani Group chairman Gautam Adani is looking to buy a stake in 197 Communications, which operates Paytm. Paytm founder and CEO Vijay Shekhar Sharma met Adani in Ahmedabad to finalize the deal. If this deal works out, then it will mark Adani Group into the financial tech sector, competing against Google Pay and PhonePe. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.